Hello creative kids, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be teaching you how to draw a super cute Halloween-themed Hello Kitty. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, our step-by-step guide will help you create an adorable drawing that's perfect for the Halloween season. Let's begin by outlining the head shape. Start by drawing a circle, but leave the top portion open to accommodate a hat that we'll add later. Next, draw a smaller circle in the center of the larger one to represent the nose. Above the nose, let's add 2 circles for the eyes. Now it's time to draw the hat. Begin by sketching a large oval to form the base. Next, add the ears peeking out from the sides of the hat. Then, continue by drawing the top of the hat. Make it pointy to showcase her cute witchy look today. Have fun with the details. Did you know Hello Kitty was created by Japanese designer Yuko Shimizu and made her debut in 1974? The character's full name is Kitty White, and she is depicted as a British and Japanese character. Interestingly, she was initially designed as a purse for children, and her design has remained relatively simple, which contributes to her universal appeal. I will add the well-known bow. It wouldn't be Hello Kitty without it, right? Let's start drawing the hands. Those will be holding the broom. And let's add a large witch-like coat. Now it is time to draw the broom. Our lovely drawing is almost completed. It looks pretty cool. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section. Did you know, despite being a huge cultural icon, Hello Kitty doesn't have a mouth? This design choice is intended to express that she can represent a variety of emotions. Her feelings are left to interpretation based on her facial expressions and context. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.